took the 10.
Huh?
Wouldn't it?
They can.
Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Day 2 on the Tumut to Gundagai canoe trip. We've just left the caravan park, 8 o'clock in the morning. Nice, still, clear weather and smooth lines on the river.
It's like, oh, we just got to town, now the river's slow. It does speed up.
Been good, pretty chill. We had a couple of corners we took nicely. Yeah, it's been nice. Warwick's been a bit lazy, so I've been doing most of the work, but that's alright. Hopefully he picks up and we'll be good to go for the rest of the day.
Yeah, he's making up for not doing anything back at camp.
Whatever. I packed up my whole thing.
Still 7 in?
Yeah, mate.
What we got there was a rising fish.
We've got a rising fish over here. Reedy's just putting together some heavy artillery.
You chuck us that little lethal weapon in your hand there.
Straight over here in that dark patch of water just below those tree branches hanging over the water.
Get that net ready, man. You might as well land it.
Rise again.
Do you want me to go over there?
Not yet.
And what? Changed to a nymph after that?
Mate, we're just down here, day 2 on our little journey to Gundagai from Tumut. Nice little sporty fish. We're getting back in the water. You're right to go this far.
Like, yeah, and then squeeze the barb and pull it back
Does that
out.
hurt?
Yeah.
No, right now. I can't feel it.
Oh, that's good.
It's fine. Are you taking the push right now?
No.
Hurry up.
Alright, here we go. It could hurt, that's why you need it. Oh, easy!
That's it out.
How's that one?
Yeah,
put it in
you
your
should
hat.
keep that.
Just went through.
Just pulled up for lunch. Got a nice little spot to have a bit of a bite to eat, make some lunch. We're about halfway through today, so it's day 2. And we've done 18k and we've got about another 20 to go today. So it's been really nice section of the river. A little bit wider, a little bit slower.
Yesterday I was telling to Chris, I had Transect there.
So, like, that's the...
Where are we? Brungle.
Brungle Bridge.
Brungle Bridge.
Brungle Bridge, day 2.
4:30.
Yowie.
Not a bad result.
Not a
Full
bad
day on the
result.
river. Snuggle. Snuggle down. I think you know it. Just got a little fella at the Brungle Bridge. Nice little rainbow. Where's a bit of water?
Saying to Nathan in that, like in the
In my little tin,
I don't know. I've got a
I still
plate.
just put a rock on it. And
We're cooking spaghetti bolognese
Yeah.
and 450 gram Provenir bone-in ribeye. To just
no,
Wait 10.
why?
you got to really rest.
Look out. Just hold a plate.
Ready?
Chef's fingers.
Okay, yeah. Put that in.
Jesus.
There we go.
Yes, please,
Oh.
sir.
Oh God.
Mr. Mayor.
Mm.
That's going to be fun to drink.